Permitless carry will soon be legal in the state of Florida. Governor Ron DeSantis signed the bill that takes effect July 1st. WUFT's Chris Will explains what the change means and what could be next.
Yeah, that's right, Sarah. The new law will allow people in Florida to carry a concealed weapon without any permit requirement at all. It's a part of a nearly 106-page bill labeled House Bill 543, but the debate starts with what to call it.
Some call it permitless carry. Others call it constitutional carry. But Moms Demand Action calls it...
This is a very dangerous law.
It's House Bill 543, internally known as the Public Safety Bill, and it removes the permit requirement to carry a concealed firearm in the state of Florida. It's left some residents concerned.
Well, we know from other states that have removed permitting requirements that it makes it easier for dangerous people to carry a gun in public spaces, like this park, like our grocery stores, our malls, shopping malls, and on the streets of our neighborhoods.
Supporters of the law believe it will allow those in harm's way to better protect themselves.
Women and other people who don't want to go through the hoops, who are at risk for domestic violence and other things, to allow themselves to protect themselves in a much quicker, expedient fashion.
The current process for a permit involves a class, fingerprinting, and a nearly 3-month wait period. With permitless carry, gun owners can skip those steps and just go through the 3-day waiting period when getting a gun. The change is part of sweeping legislative moves by Governor Ron DeSantis and state Republicans that hold a supermajority in the legislature.
They don't care. They're just on a mission. They've got their schedule. They were going to sign the law as part of a sequence of bad laws in Florida, and they want people to believe that there's nothing we can do about gun violence, that it's an act of nature, which is not true. We know it's preventable.
The bill now puts gun training as a personal responsibility instead of a legal one.
If you want to use it as a tool for self-defense, that's your responsibility to become proficient with it. It is your responsibility to be able to use it in a way that defends your life, your family's life, and your community's life.
The change maintains state and federal regulations regarding who can buy a gun, such as 21 years of age and background checks.
The bill is set to go into effect on July 1st of this year and will really only impact handguns that can be concealed. State lawmakers have made steps towards a potential open carry law, but no such amendment has passed. However, the move to bring the age requirement from 21 to 18 is still on the table. Back to you guys.